Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project voice detector. The components required for this project are breadboard, 9V battery, battery snapper, mic, LED, 470 ohm resistor, BC547 transistor, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and few jumper wires. First of all, we'll place BC547 transistor on breadboard. The terminals of the transistor are collector, base, emitter. Now, we'll connect negative terminal of the mic to the base of the transistor. Now we will place 10 kilo ohm potentiometer on breadboard. Connect the terminal 1 and wiper terminal together with the help of jumper wire. Connect the wiper terminal to the emitter of the transistor. Connect terminal 2 of the potentiometer to the base of the transistor. Connect one end of 470 ohm resistor to the collector of the transistor. Connect negative terminal of LED to the other end of the resistor. Now connect positive terminal of mic to the positive terminal of LED. Connect the negative terminal of battery snapper to the emitter of the transistor and positive terminal of battery snapper to the positive end of LED. Now connect the battery to the battery snapper. Now move the knob of the potentiometer to set the sensitivity. Set the sensitivity such that LED will stop glowing. Now we will play a song. Whenever the sound is near to the mic, the LED turns on, and whenever the sound goes far from the mic, the LED doesn't light up, which means mic is detecting the sound and it's turning the LED on accordingly. This is how voice detector works. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.